How are you all? I hope you all are staying very safe at home. Now, before going to the class, I'll share you a small story. Bindu is a girl of very kind-hearted nature. One day, Bindu, along with her mother, went to a saree shop to buy sarees for her mother. Now, let us see where Bindu has went and what she have observed in the shop. Now children, Bindu along with her mother entered into the shop. Now the salesman started showing the sarees. First, the salesman started showing a green colored bordered saree where you can see the border and the beads are arranged in an order. That is, one is of black and other is of gold color. Yes, now this is one model the salesman has shown. Next, again the salesman he started showing one more model where you can see all the saree is made up of print, where two borders at a time. Now he started showing one more border sarees. This is a bordered saree where you can observe a border along with red color strips. Now it is followed by round gold colored border. Now on observing these all sarees, we found that these are nothing but patterns. These are nothing but patterns which we can see on the sarees. Now today's topic is about patterns. Now from this we have observed that patterns are around us. Now we will see some more patterns which are around us. Patterns which we can find in our nature, in our surroundings. What are those? Now I will show you. Now I have taken a leaf which is made up of different veins, which is made up of veins. The middle one is the leaf vein. Now this is one pattern which we observe in our daily life. Now one more leaf which you can observe in our nature. In the same way, you can also observe the flowers. You can also observe the flowers which are made up of pattern by their petals. Here, see the petals, children. The petals follow a pattern. In the same way, in this flower also, the petals follow a pattern. In the same way, in the rose flower, in any flower if you take, the petals follow a pattern. It is nothing but they follow one after the other. The petals are arranged one after the other. From this, we can observe that patterns are nothing but it is a repeated sequence where we can find the shapes, numbers, designs, sounds, etc. Now, here I will show you some natural patterns as well as some man-made patterns. Now see here, children. These are all natural patterns which we observe in our daily life, and these are man-made patterns which are made by a human being or a machine. These are man-made patterns and these comes under natural patterns. As we have seen, patterns we can observe in nature. In the same way, patterns we can observe in numbers also. Now let us see how the pattern takes place in numbers. First, suppose if I have taken 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What are these numbers, children? Can anyone tell me what are these numbers? Exactly. These are even numbers. Even numbers also follow a pattern. How? First I have taken 2 and again if plus 2 to the number. It is 2 plus 2 is 4. Again, pattern is what, children? Repeatedly we have to. So, the same plus 2. If I add 4 plus 2, 6. It follows a pattern again. Again, plus 2. 6 plus 2, 8. In the same way, now tell me, children, what is the next number? Very good. It is nothing but 10 plus 2, 12. And the next number, ma'am? 12 plus 2. It is 14. Very good, children. Now, second one. Here, what is the pattern it is going to follow? It is 5, 10, 15, 20. So on, we are going to add 5 in every step. Now, again the next step. 20 plus 5. 25. 25 plus 5. 30. Now, here, coming to the third one. 90, 80, 70, 60. The numbers are in a decreasing order. By how much I have decreased? It is by 10. If I decrease a number by 10, we will get the next number. In the same way, 90 minus 10, 80. 80 minus 10, 70. 70 minus 10, 60. What is the next number, children? 60 minus 10. It is 50. Now next, 50 minus 10. It is 40. From this, we have observed that numbers also follow a pattern. Next, coming to the shapes. Even shapes also follow a pattern. Now, we will see the first, it is following a pattern or not. First figure is triangle, circle. Again, it's triangle, circle. Again, it is following a sequence. Triangle, circle. Yes, is it following a sequence or not, children? Yes, it is following a sequence. So, what is my next figure? Triangle, circle. Clear, children, everyone? Now, coming to the second one. One smiley face, one sad face. Again, it follows a pattern. One smiley face, one sad face. One smiley face. What is the next step? One sad face. Again, one smiley face. Now, coming to the third. Rectangle, square. Rectangle, square. Again, if I have drawn rectangle and square, it is also following a pattern. So, from this, it is very clear that patterns are around us. Patterns we will observe in nature, patterns we will observe in numbers, and patterns we will observe in shapes also. Coming to the story once again, I have said Bindu along with her mother went to purchase a saree. There they have purchased a saree and they were returning back to home. In the meanwhile, Bindu was feeling very hungry. As usually you people if you go along with your parents, you people will be having some type of eating habits at the streets. Yes or no, children? Now, in the same way, Bindu went to a bakery. There she observes that the shopkeeper, the baker, he is arranging the buns in an order. What is that? We will see now. Now, in one box, he has kept one bun. In the second box, children, he has kept 4 buns. In the third box, he has kept 9 buns. He is arranging in such a way that in the first box, he kept only 1 bun. So, in the rows and column wise, if you see, he has arranged one bun into 1. So, how much we will be getting? 1 ones, 1. Next, coming to the second box, he has arranged 2 buns in 2 rows. Okay. Now, how many total he is getting? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's nothing but 2 2s, 4. In the third box, he has arranged 3 buns into 3 rows. So, total how many buns he has arranged? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 3 3s, 9. Now, from this, what you have observed, children? 1, 4, 9. What are these numbers? These numbers are called as square numbers. These numbers are called as square numbers. How you will get the square numbers of a number? Now, here if you observe, if I multiply a number by itself, that is with the same number, I will get the square number. Here 1 ones, 1. So, the square number of 1 is 1. Now, 2 2s, 4. Here also, I am multiplying 2 with the same number 2. 2 2s, 4. So, the square number of 2 is 4. Here, I am multiplying 3 buns with 3 rows. That is, the same number I am multiplying with a number. 3 3s, 9. So, this 1, 4, 9. These are called as square numbers. These are called as square numbers. Square number is obtained, or we will get a square number if we multiply a number by itself. Now, let us see what is the square number of 5. What is that, children? Square number 5. If you multiply with the same number, 5 5s, 25. So, the square number of 5 is 25. Yes? Now, take one more example. What is the square number of 12? It is multiply with the same number. 12 12s, 144. So, the square number of 12 is 100. Also, we can observe that the buns are arranged in a pattern. When Bindu was returning home, she wants to purchase some oranges. She went to a shop where you can see the oranges are arranged in a pattern. Now let us see how they have arranged in a pattern. Now in one, they have kept one orange in one pack. So it is one orange they have kept. Again in the second one, they have kept one. Here also the shopkeeper is following a sequence. First he has taken one. Again he has taken 2 more. So total here he has taken 3 oranges. Here he has taken only 1 orange. Now coming to the third row, he has taken first 1 orange. Again he wants to pack 2 oranges along with 1. Again he is also following a pattern, like he is taking 3 oranges at a time. So total he has arranged 6 oranges in a heap. Here also first he has taken 1 orange, next 2, in the same way, next 3 oranges he has taken, in the same way, next he has taken 4 oranges. So total 10 oranges he has taken. from this it is very clear that the oranges what he is keeping, it follows a pattern. What is the pattern? If he is keeping the oranges in this manner, can you see the outer shape, children? Can you see the outer shape? It is following a triangle. It is nothing but triangle. If he has arranged the oranges in this manner, he is following a pattern in the shape of a triangle. So now, if the numbers are obtained in the shape of a triangle, if the numbers are obtained or arranged in a triangular manner, these numbers are called as triangular numbers. What are these numbers, children? These are called as triangular numbers. So from here, 1, 3, 6, 10. These are called as triangular numbers. How we are getting the triangular numbers? We are just adding the numbers. That is sum. Adding, the result of addition is sum. That is the sum whatever we have obtained is called as the triangular number. Now let us see some more examples how to find a triangular number. Now let us see some more examples of triangular number. How to find the seventh triangular number? In the earlier we have seen that we will get the triangular number by adding. So here first we can see or we can write it is nothing but sum of the digits. Sum of the digits, that is equals to, what is the question given? Which triangular number? Seventh triangular number. So from 1 to 7, keep on adding the digits. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Clear, children? Now we will add these numbers to get the seventh triangular number. Now let us add the numbers. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5. Come on children, tell me the answers. Yes, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. Very good. 21 plus 7, 28. So, our seventh triangular number is 28. Therefore, seventh triangular number seventh triangular number is equals to 28. In this way, we can find the given triangular number. Now, here it is a very small number, so you have added the numbers. For example, if it is a very big number, what you will do, children? Don't worry. Here there is a hint given here. What is the hint given? Triangular number. Triangular number is equals to what we have to take? Whatever the number you have given, you have to take. That is, given number is nothing but whatever the question they have asked into successor, means the next number. We'll call it as, in mathematical terminology, the after number, we call it as successor. Into successor whole divided by 2. Clear, children? Now, if it is a very small number, we will just add or we will add and we will get the triangular number. If it is a very big number, what you will do? For suppose, I want the triangular number. That is, find the 15th triangular number. Find the 15th triangular number. So, it is impossible to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus. It takes a long process. By this given hint, we can find 15th triangular number is equals to, what is the given number? 15 multiplied by, what is the successor of 15? Means the next number of 15 is 16 divided by 2. Now, as you have come to the 5th standard, you know that 2 goes in 16 exactly. How many times, children? 8 times. Yes. Now, what is left over? 15 multiplied by 8. That is 15 multiplied by 8. Next, 8 5s 40, 4 borrow 0, 8 1s 8 plus 4. How much, children? 8 plus 4? 12. Exactly. So therefore, 15th triangular number. So therefore, 15th triangular number is equals to 120. If it is a very small number, you can do it in this way. If it is a very big number, you can do by taking the hint given here. Now children, we will do our daily exercises. Now, here write the next 3 numbers of each of the following patterns. Here I have given 3 sums, children. Now let us see how to do. First one, 0 to 5. How many numbers I have taken? 5 numbers. Again from 5 to 10, again 5 numbers. From 10 to 15, after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I got 15 here. So what is my next number? Add 5 to the 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now children, tell me the next number. 20. I have to add 5. It is 25. Again, I have to add 5. 25 plus 5 is 30. Now, coming to the second one. 20. Next number what they have given? 40. Now, they have added 20 numbers, or in an easy manner, you just leave the ones place. As ones place, you are having zeros. Take the tens place. Here 2, 4, 6, 8. What is the next number? 10. And add 0. Yes? 80. What we have taken? 20 difference. 80 plus 20 is nothing but 100. In the same way, 100 plus 20. 120. Next, 140. Now, here 64, the next number, how you got 32? It is nothing but half you have taken. Half of 64 is 32. Next, half of 32 is 16. Half of 16 is 8. So here we have to take half of the digit. Now 8 half is how much, children? 4. So next 4 half is 2. 2 half, if you divide by 2, you will get 1. Clear, children? Now this is a pattern first problem. Now coming to the second one, write the sequence of the first 10 square numbers. What are square numbers? I said, if a number is multiplied by itself, we will get a square number. Now let us see. 1. What is the square number of 1? I have to multiply with the same number to get 1. This is my square number of 1. Now by 2 multiplied by the same number. 2 2s 4. Next 3. Multiply with the same number. 3 3s 9. So the square number of 3 is 9. Next 4. 4 multiply with the same number. You will get the square number. Next 5. Multiply 5 with the same number. You will get 5 5 25. So the square number of 5 is 25. Next they have asked 10 square numbers. Now 6. Multiply 6 with the same number. 6 6. Very good. 36. Now 7. Multiply 7 with the same number. 7 7 49. So the square number of 7 is 49. Next 8. 8 8s 64. In the same way 9 9s 81. Next comes to the last square 10. 10 10s 100. Clear children now? How to write the square numbers of the first 10 numbers. Now, third question. You have to find the 17th triangular number. Just now I have explained in the previous that it is impossible to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus till 17. So here I have taken the hint as given number into successor divided by 2. From this, what is the given number, children? 17. So 17 into successor means the next number. After 17, 18 divided by 2. So now we will see whether any cuttings are there or not. Now 2 will go in 2 table exactly one time and 2 will go in 18 table exactly 2 9s 18. Now here I have to multiply 17 with 9. 9 7s 63. 6 borrow 3. 9 1s 9. 9 plus 6. What is that, children? 9 plus 6? 15. So, therefore, my 17th triangular number. What is my 17th triangular number, children? It is nothing but 153. It is nothing but 153. Coming to the fourth sum, children. Here, write the next 4 rows of each of the following pattern. They have given a pattern. Let us see how you got the result. Now, first they have taken 9 multiplied by 9. 9 9s. What is 9 9s, children? 81. Plus 7. It is 88. Next, they have taken 2 numbers. 9 before 9 is 8. 98 into 9 plus 6. It follows a pattern that 888 is the result. In the same way, here you see they have taken 9, 8. Before number of 8 is 7. Here they have taken 9, 8, 7. Before number of 7 is 6. In the same way, we will be taking next 9, 8, 7, 6. Before number of 6 is 5. Multiplied by 9, same they have taken. plus here they have taken 7, 6, 5, 4. Next, before number is 3. In case of doing the problem, before doing the actual division, we will write the answer by using this pattern. Here 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits. That is the same 8 is appearing again and again. It is repeating. In the same way, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. One more. It is nothing but 8,88,888. They have asked you to find the 4 rows. Next, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Before 4 into 9 plus 2 is nothing but we'll follow the pattern. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. One more 8. Yes. Next. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 into 9 plus 1. It is 1, 2, 3. How many times? 8 is repeating here. Just add one more 8 to that. Clear, children? Now we have taken only 3 rows. They have asked the 4th row also. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 into 9 plus 1 before is 0. So here 8 we have to write how many times, children? Yes, very good. We have to add one more 8 to this. So have you observed? It is also following a pattern. From this class, what we have learned today, children? We have learned what is a pattern, how many patterns are there. It is in the nature, numbers and shapes. Now we have already learned square numbers. If a number is multiplied by itself, we will get the square numbers. Triangular numbers. If the numbers are obtained in a triangular shape manner, we call those numbers as triangular numbers, and also the exercise problems. Now let us do a small activity of triangular numbers, how they have formed. Yes, children. Now let us do a small activity based on triangular numbers by using these teacups. Now let us see how can we arrange the numbers in the shape of a triangle. If I have taken 1 cup, I can arrange in this manner. Have you observed? Now, if I have taken 1 plus 2 cups, 1 plus after 1, 2. If I have taken 2 cups, how can I arrange in a triangular manner? The second cup and the third cup follows in this manner. Now, if I have taken 1 plus 2 plus 3. 2 cups if I want, I will keep in this manner. Now again I have to take 3 cups. So 1, 2, again 3. So the triangular number of 1 is 1. The triangular number is 3 here. The triangular number is 6. Next, if I want, I can arrange them in 4 rows. Here, in the first row, I have kept only 1 cup. Here, 2 cups I have kept. Here, I have kept 3 cups. So, in the base, if I keep 4 cups. In the second row, 3 cups together. In the third, 2 cups. And the last, 1 cup. Now, is it following the shape of a triangle or not, children? Yes, it is following the shape of a triangle. Now, even you people, you children can try this at home. Thank you.